Is emergency care covered in healthcare for veterans? When it comes to the health and well-being of those who have served in the military, understanding the specifics of healthcare coverage is crucial. Many veterans find themselves in situations where they requiring immediate medical attention, and knowing how emergency care is handled can make a significant difference in their experience. Emergency care for veterans is primarily provided through the Department of Veterans Affairs. The coverage is designed to ensure that veterans receive timely and appropriate medical attention when they face urgent health issues. However, the specifics of coverage can vary based on several factors, including the veteran's enrollment status, the type of emergency, and the facility where care is sought. For veterans who are enrolled in the Department of Veterans Affairs health care system, emergency care is generally covered if it is provided at a Department of Veterans Affairs facility. In these cases, veterans can receive treatment without worrying about out-of-pocket expenses, as long as the care is deemed necessary and appropriate. It is important for veterans to be aware that they must seek care at a Department of Veterans Affairs facility or an approved urgent care center to ensure coverage. In situations where a veteran requires emergency care at a non-Department of Veterans Affairs facility, coverage may still be available, but certain conditions apply. The care must be for a medical emergency, which is defined as a situation that poses an immediate threat to life or health. In such cases, veterans should notify the Department of Veterans Affairs as soon as possible to facilitate coverage. There may be specific time frames and documentation requirements that need to be met to ensure that the costs are covered. Additionally, veterans who are not enrolled in the Department of Veterans Affairs health care system may have limited options for emergency care coverage. It is advisable for these individuals to explore alternative health insurance options or to consider enrolling in the Department of Veterans Affairs system to access comprehensive benefits. Understanding the nuances of emergency care coverage can empower veterans to make informed decisions about their health. It is always recommended for veterans to familiarize themselves with their specific benefits and to reach out to the Department of Veterans Affairs for personalized assistance regarding their health care needs.